one and that one. Obviously, that was necessary. That is plastic. So one landfill. This is plastic. One landfill. Yeah. So no silver there. Landfill. Landfill. That one's probably going there. Yeah. Come on, I wonder what. Oh, fine. Yeah. Oh, come on. So interesting. Glass on plastic on glass. Whoop-dee. We'll just leave that alone, but what's... I'm taking that apart at another time. Okay, so what did I get? I got some silver, a bunch of plastic and screws. We're going to send that to shred. We got some silver here. Got some brass out of it. We got a bunch of little pieces like this. Got some more copper to take out here. And here. And that's about it. Bunch of steel. Oh, where's my wire? This guy. I wonder if we can get this off. Sometimes these aren't too hard. Sometimes they can be difficult. Let's try. Let's just try something real quick like. Maybe we can make another ball. Make like a little snowman. Let's see if the old work knife works. It does. That's a really soft cable. Yeah. That's going to work really well. Let's try this little guy. This one's really ill. It's not working anymore. A lot of trouble with it. Oh, maybe. Yeah, see? Oh, hate you. Fine. Try this one real quick. This might work right there. Come back. Cut it. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, it's too jiggity jaggedy. I'll spend some time on that another time. But I got this one for now. That's about it. One toaster oven down. Landfill saved. Copper King out.